Welcome back to Grammar Grade 10. This is Unit 8, Lesson 59, and today we take on two pairs of words that trip up almost everybody. Good and well, bad and badly. You have heard people argue about these at dinner tables. The good news is that there is nothing mysterious here. Every one of these words is settled by two questions you already know how to ask. Is the word an adjective or an adverb? And is the verb a linking verb or an action verb? Answer those two and the choice makes itself. Let's dig in. Before we touch a single sentence, let's put the two questions on the board. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. An adverb describes a verb, and usually it tells how. That is the first question. The second question is about the verb itself. A linking verb, be, seem, feel, taste, smell, look, sound, does not act. It simply links the subject to a word that describes the subject. So a linking verb takes an adjective. An action verb, on the other hand, does something, and to describe how it is done, you need an adverb. Those two rules are honestly the whole lesson. Now here is the piece to memorize. Good and bad are adjectives, while well and badly are adverbs. Start with good, because good is the simple one. Good is an adjective, always, with no exceptions at all. That means good does one of two jobs. Job 1. It sits in front of a noun and describes it. Marisol cooked a good meal. Good is describing the meal. What kind of meal? A good one. Job 2. It follows a linking verb and reaches back to describe the subject. The soup tastes good. Now notice something important. Good is not telling us how the soup tastes things. Soup does not taste anything. Taste here is a linking verb, and good is a predicate adjective describing the soup itself. In both jobs, good answers the question, what kind? Now for well, and here is where people slip. Listen to this sentence. She sings good. That is wrong, and you can hear that it is wrong. Sings is an action verb. She is actually doing something. So to describe that action, we need an adverb. And the adverb is well. She sings well. How does she sing? Well. That is an adverb of manner, and manner just means how. Now, one honest exception, and it is the only one. Well can also be an adjective when it means in good health. If you say, I feel well, you are not describing how skillfully your fingers touch things. You are saying you are healthy. So remember it this way. Well tells how something is done, unless it is talking about your health. Swap over to the second pair and you will find the same shape. Bad is an adjective, exactly like good. So bad can stand in front of a noun. We tossed out the bad milk. Bad describes the milk. And bad can follow a linking verb as a predicate adjective. The milk smells bad. Pause on that one because it is worth understanding. Smells is a linking verb here. The milk is not out there actively sniffing anything. The word bad is not describing an action. It is describing the milk. Say the milk smells badly, and you have just claimed the carton has a poor sense of smell. Bad, in short, is the mirror image of good. That leaves badly, and badly is the adverb of the pair. Badly modifies an action verb and tells how the action went. Look at the wrong version first. Our goalie played bad. Played is a real action. He was out there doing something. So the describing word has to be an adverb. Our goalie played badly. How did he play? Badly. Here is a second one to lock it in. The car skidded badly on the wet road. Skidded is an action, and badly tells us how that skid went. So the shortcut is simple. If there is real action happening, reach for badly. Now the famous one, and it deserves a board of its own. People say, I feel badly about the mistake, and they usually say it because badly sounds more careful, more educated. But look at what it actually means. Badly is an adverb, so it has to modify the verb feel as an action. And feeling as an action means touching. So I feel badly literally says, my fingers are bad at touching things. My sense of touch is broken. That is not what anybody means. When you are talking about your emotions, feel is a linking verb, and a linking verb takes an adjective. So bad describes I, the person. The correct sentence is, I feel bad about the mistake. So whenever you are sorry, guilty, or sad, the sentence you want is, I feel bad. Let's boil all of that down into one method you can run in about 2 seconds. Step 1, find the verb. Step 2, ask whether it is a linking verb. Be, seem, feel, taste, smell, look, sound. If it is, the word you want is an adjective, which means good or bad. Step 3, if instead it is an action verb, sing, play, drive, write, skid, then the word you want is an adverb, which means well or badly. And do not forget the one exception. Well is an adjective when it means healthy. That is it. The verb tells you which word to pick, every single time. Ready to practice? First set, good or well. For each sentence, find the verb, decide whether it is linking or action, and then choose. Pause the video and commit to an answer before I reveal it. Nora paints blank for someone who just started. Find the verb, paints. Is Nora linking to something, or is she doing something? She is doing something. Paints is an action verb. An action verb needs an adverb, and the adverb is well. Nora paints well. Your plan sounds blank to me. The verb is sounds. Is the plan out there making noise? No. Sounds is a linking verb, connecting the plan to a word that describes it. A linking verb takes an adjective, and the adjective is good. Your plan sounds good. After a week of the flu, Ravi finally feels blank again. Careful, this is the exception. We are talking about his health. He has recovered. And when we mean in good health, the word is well, used as an adjective. Ravi finally feels well again. Second set, bad or badly. Same method. Find the verb, ask linking or action, then choose. And watch out, because one of these is the famous trap. Pause and decide before I answer. The engine sounded blank on the highway. The verb is sounded, and here it is a linking verb. It links the engine to a word describing the engine. Linking verb, adjective. The engine sounded bad on the highway. I feel blank about forgetting your birthday. This is the famous trap. Feel is a linking verb here because we are describing a person's emotions, not an action of touching. So it takes the adjective. I feel bad about forgetting your birthday. Our team passed blank in the first quarter. Find the verb, passed. That is a real action. Players throwing the ball. An action verb needs an adverb, and the adverb is badly. Our team passed badly in the first quarter. Let's gather it all up. Good and bad are adjectives. They describe nouns, and they follow linking verbs as predicate adjectives. The soup tastes good. The milk smells bad. Well and badly are adverbs. They tell how an action is done. She sings well. He played badly. And keep the two special cases in your pocket. Well becomes an adjective when it means in good health. And when you are talking about your emotions, the sentence is always, I feel bad. Never, I feel badly. Find the verb, ask linking or action, and the right word appears on its own. In the next lesson, we'll keep working with modifiers. I'll see you there.